Can you get voice chat on Roblox in your Xbox? So basically just an explanation if you can or not. So as of now, Roblox doesn't really support in-game voice chat on the Xbox version of the Roblox app, since voice chat in Roblox must be enabled and used on mobile PC or web first, and it usually doesn't appear inside the Xbox app's gameplay. So the short answer is basically no. Roblox official support states that voice chat is not supported in the Roblox app for Xbox devices, and this means you won't be able to use the built-in voice chat feature directly while playing on Roblox the way you can on PC or mobile. But you can always use Xbox Live Party Chat, the system-level voice chat you have in your Xbox. With friends while playing Roblox to talk to them, but this is not the Roblox voice chat system. Obviously, it's the Xbox Party Chat that works for any game that doesn't have its own built-in voice. But anyways, again, Roblox voice chat feature requires age, phone verification, and privacy settings. For that have to be enabled through a mobile app, desktop app, or browser, and not from Xbox itself. So even if you enable voice chat on your Roblox account as elsewhere, the Xbox app will still won't be able to show it or use it in most experiences. So players report not being able to see the mic or voice icon on Xbox even when it's enabled on the same account on a different device. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.